This volume indicator turned green today right before lunch on the S&P 500 as this market roared back to life today. All right, guys and gals, let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know volatility is the name of the game. And the only trading indicator that works is volume. All right, so let's get into it, guys. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of, yup, you guessed it, the S&P 500 cash index. This is the symbol, SPX 500. You can trade this thing on Forex, on futures, and on stocks and options. The S&P 500 is very interesting. It's very unique. I haven't done a video on the S&P 500, so for all you S&P 500 traders, I hope you don't think I'm neglecting you, and this video is for you. All right, now listen, there's a lot of good reasons why any professional trader would want to have a chart of the S&P 500 cash index open. All right, you've got to at least be watching the cash index for any indices that you trade, right? Whether it's the S&P, whether it's the Nas, whether it's the Dow, even oil and gold. All right, they all have their own indices, and the things that me and you trade, aka the Forex version or the futures version or the stock version, okay, these are just derivatives of the master cash index. So yes, the cash index is the one all be all, and that's why I love tracking the cash index. In fact, I have a dedicated screen. It's a huge screen. Okay, it's a 40-inch monitor where I have nothing but the cash indices being tracked on that screen using this volume indicator. And speaking of, yep, you guessed it, guys, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume-based color band. Okay, this is a proprietary volume indicator that only uses volume. Okay, we don't use anything else except volume to detect pressure. You understand? Because when this thing turns red, it tells you that the sellers have taken control and they are applying pressure to the downside. And yep, you guessed it, if we flip it around, whenever this indicator turns green, as it did today, right before lunch, it tells you that the pressure is now being applied by the buyers, and so that there's a better chance than not of the market rising, right? Why? Because at this exact moment in time, the pressure has changed from the sellers being in control to the buyers being in control. You understand? And look, man, there's all sorts of different trading systems out there. But in my humble opinion, okay, and I think a lot of you guys and gals who are brand new to trading, as you're watching my charts, all right, you have never seen an indicator or a system that looks like this, right? Why? Because maybe no one's ever educated you before on the power of trading volume, okay? Volume doesn't lie. I mean, what do you think causes big sell-offs and big rallies, right? It ain't people like me and you that are causing these huge moves in the market, right? It's the large traders, the institutions, the hedge funds, okay? People that are trading a 500 lot order as opposed to me and you trading our lousy 6 lot order. Right? And so to put that in context, at this exact moment in time, when everybody, right, all the large traders start coming in and buying the market, it causes what? Huge trading volume. And this indicator can detect it very quickly and very easily. That is why you saw this indicator turn green at this exact moment in time. You understand? However, the way that we play it is by looking for pullbacks. And so sometimes, man, you just got to hold your nose and just deal with this big rip, okay, as the market just rips hard in the new trend while you wait for one of these. Okay, I call this the perfect retracement setup, and that's because, in my humble opinion, this is the one and only opportunity to participate in the trend of the volume. Right? This is the one and only chance that we have to get on this train before the train just takes off. Right? Now, granted, this was a bit of a shallow retracement, but this was still a technical definition of a retracement. And yes, I know it happened again here and here and here, but I've said this 100,000 times, guys. The first retracement, all right, of any leg, and when I say leg, I mean the color change, okay, the first retracement is simply always the best. This is my humble opinion. Feel free to agree or disagree with me. If you're using the vol and you're finding success taking additional retracements, like, I don't know, half my customers probably took this retracement and the next one and this one, right? You can keep adding to your position if you'd like to. But me, I'm a very conservative trader. I like to just open one particular trade per leg. And for me, this was my winning ticket on the S&P 500, trading a volume-based indicator that is logical and common sense, and in my opinion, very straightforward. I mean, you put this chart and contrast it with whatever nonsense you were using today, then I'm willing to bet you that these volume charts look a heck of a lot better than your candlestick charts. Okay? And the only thing I can say is what I always say, and that is you simply cannot beat trading volume. I mean, how do you argue with this chart, right? It was so clean, so obvious. I know a couple of customers of mine took the color change instead of the retracement, which is a very risky way to trade. But look, you trade however you want to trade based on whatever volume is telling you. At the end of the day, this indicator simply tells you in advance when a trend change starts. This information, in my opinion, guys, this is priceless. All right. I truly consider this ability of predicting the direction, okay, in the market before it happens. I mean, this is the holy grail, in my opinion. Okay. So anyway, love starting off the week strong. I'm so glad you guys and gals had a powerful, strong Monday in your trading. Can't wait to see what this indicator is going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.